Hey guys, this is Shweta here and 2020 has been a really crazy year क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कहीं पर भी travel नहीं किया. Last we traveled was in March 2020. So yes, we were dying to go somewhere और हम लोगों ने सोचा कि let's go for one day trip if not more. So we thought of going to Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary, which is 144 kilometer away from Bangalore via Mysore Road, where we got one toll. So let's go and find it out how it is going to be. Are you excited? Yes, I am. I'm pretty excited to be on road after so long. It feels good. You know what is the most difficult thing to do? It is to wait for your food when you're hungry. And right now, I'm doing the same thing. I am hungry और मैं सबके खाने पे नज़र डाल रही हूँ.
कुछ तो दे दो, ये कुछ तो दे दो.
तो मेरे
डोसा डोसा जा रहा है.
Yes, so we have reached the destination, which is Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. Or this is located at the banks of Kaveri River, and it is largest bird sanctuary in the state. Yeah, uh, pata chala ki boating is there, and you can actually go near crocodiles. So you will be amazed to know that यहाँ पर 170 bird species हैं और 70 to 80 crocodiles हैं, which scare the hell out of me. Well, let's see. I am reluctant to go for boating because I am actually scared of crocodiles. क्योंकि मैंने खून भरी मांग देखी है. So, yeah, during the month of July and August यहाँ पे boating नहीं रहती है. So you can plan accordingly. जो एक चीज़ हमने मिस कर दी वो था zoom lens, which is very important for a place like this because यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी birds दिखी, इतनी